What's up, everyone? My name is Justin, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Mona. And today I'm going to show you how to mint your Mona space on Polygon. Let's dive right in. Okay, so we tested out our scene in the Mona playground. It looks great. Now, normally I would add a bit more to my scene here, but just for this tutorial, I want to now show you how you can go from just testing in the playground to actually uploading your scene to Mona and minting your scene. So next, I'm going to go to Mona, build mintable files. So once I'm absolutely happy with my scene and I'm ready for this to go live inside of the decentralized metaverse, I'm going to make sure I hit File, Save, and I'm going to click Mona, Build Mintable Files. All right, so that's going to build the mintable files. Now, for this next part, I'm going to go back over to Mona. And when it comes time to actually upload your space to Mona, instead of the playground, I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm going to go to mona.gallery/wallet. Here's where I'm actually going to get started with connecting my wallet to Mona and uploading a space. Since this is a tutorial, I'm actually going to use a different link here just to test out. So I'm going to be using some test links to test out the Mona upload process. You're going to use mona.gallery/wallet. I'm using one that's called staging here, so don't mind that. Just make sure you go to mona.gallery/wallet, and the first step is to actually connect your wallet to Metamask. So now I'm going to click Connect Wallet, and it's going to ask for a signature request. So you just have to click Sign, and that's going to log you in to Mona. So awesome, check this out. Now inside your Mona wallet, you have some space drafts here. I'm going to click Start a New Space. So right here is where I can enter my artist name. So I'm going to enter my name, Justin. And for space title, I'm going to call it Cliff Scene. And then I have a description. My cliff scene. And summary. A nice looking cliff. And then once I filled these details out, I'm going to choose a theme. Now you can choose one or many themes for your space. This is more of a nature theme, so I'm going to just select that and click Continue. Okay, so now it's going to ask you for a few things. It's going to ask you to, it's going to give you your space info here, and then you have an area for artifacts, and then you have playable files, preview image, mintable file, and preview render. First, I'm going to upload my playable files. So everything I was testing in Playground, this is the playables. This is the Playground files folder. So I'm going to click and drag that right there. So that's going to validate the space, and it's going to give me a summary. It says 2 artifacts found, 2 portals found. That looks right. So I'm going to upload that. This is going to actually upload my Playground files to IPFS. Then I'm going to go down to mintable file. And here, I'm also going to select this mintable package that was created when I built those mintable files in Unity. I'm going to click and drag the mintable package file right there. That's also going to read the file, and it's going to start to upload that to IPFS as well. Make sure you click Upload there. So that's going to start uploading to IPFS. And in the meantime, I'm going to get a preview image here. So you can actually take a screen grab of your scene and upload it here. I'm actually going to use a screen grab that I took of a different sort of rock space. I'm going to upload that there. And there's also a preview render. If you follow our docs page, we walk you through how to get a nice looking video render out of your space. So I've also already made a render that I'm going to upload there. So there's our preview image, and that's uploading our preview render. All right, so now it's going to take a few minutes, but your mintable file will eventually be uploaded to IPFS. Your preview render is going to show up there, your preview image there, and your playable files will have uploaded to IPFS as well. And that's where your artifacts are actually going to show up too. And you'll see now you have a playable files preview link. So if I click preview, that's actually going to take me to this link where I then can share with anyone, and it'll drop me right into the little scene that I made. You can see my preview image here, and it's going to load up my space inside of Mona. And here we are. There we go. So now I've gone from creating my space inside of Unity, testing in the Unity playground, making some changes to it, building mintable files, uploading them to the Mona wallet, to now uploading my space inside of Mona, and I get a public link which I can share with anyone. And now I have my very own space inside the metaverse. Really, really cool. One more thing I want to show you. Here under your artifacts, since we do have 2 artifacts in this scene, I can now click on this button to link them somewhere. So this, I can give a title to my artifact, sphere 1. Artist is going to be me. This is a description. And we also have where people can buy this, like OpenSea, Rarible, Super Rare. You can actually select the marketplace, and you can copy and paste the marketplace URL in addition to a preview asset. So to show you how this works, I'm actually going to find a link to an artifact. So now I'm actually just going to use a link to an artifact that I have, and I'm going to copy the preview image there. And I'm going to click link artifact. Okay, so now we have one artifact linked. And just to show you how this works, now when I click preview, it's going to load up my space again. And we're going to drop in. But now you'll notice when I look at the actual artifact, nothing happens. Oh, I need to be... Oh dear. Okay, the artifact is a little too high. So you could see if I look at this artifact, nothing's happening. That's because artifact 2 isn't linked yet. But if I go back to artifact 1, it's really high up there. See how now I have the little artifact menu that pops up in the bottom right? See that? So if I click for details, it gives me info about the artifact. It gives me the actual image that I dropped in there, and then I have a link to view this on OpenSea. So now I can actually link to artifacts that I have listed on other platforms, and I can import them right into Mona this way. So really, really cool. And you'll also see we don't have portal linking set up just yet, so that's why I can't link my portal just yet. It just says coming soon. But at least for now, I've now shown you how you can then start linking and editing your artifacts so that when you're inside your Mona space, if you click on it, you have these details, and you can actually click and sell NFTs that you have elsewhere inside of Mona. So that's really, really cool. All right, so my space is looking great. It's all uploaded to IPFS. I've linked my artifacts, and now I am ready to mint this space. All right, so my space is now uploaded to IPFS. I've got my playable files there. My mintable files are uploaded. Preview render, preview image. Artifacts are linked. It looks great. I tested it. I have the test link that I can share with people. I can also check on the Mona Gallery homepage, and you can see my scene now automatically shows up right inside of the Mona Gallery homepage as well. And you'll see since we tagged it nature, it's going to show up under the nature tag. So that's really awesome. Okay, Now my next step is to mint my space. I want to actually turn this into an NFT, and I want to be able to show and display and maybe even sell my NFT space. So you'll notice now the mint space button is up here, but it's kind of it's not enabled just yet. Once you upload your space to Mona, we're going to bring it through a QA process. We want to make sure that you've set it up correctly. Once your space has passed our QA process, you'll receive a notification to return to your space draft page, where you'll see the mint space button is now active. So to mint your space, you're going to select mint space. Now here, you're going to select either to mint on Ethereum or to mint on Polygon. And if you want to click this link, you can actually check out an article that shows a good comparison between Ethereum and Polygon. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mint on Polygon. So I'm going to select the Mumbai testnet here. This is just a testnet, so you'll actually select the Matic mainnet. If you see my wallet, I can show you. Right now I have Mumbai selected. You'll actually be on Matic. So for now, I'm on this testnet for Polygon. I'm going to click continue. It's going to wait for signature, and then this window will pop up in my Metamask, and it's going to give me an estimated gas fee, which is 0.001847 Matic. So I'm going to click confirm. And there we are. That's the process to mint on Polygon. So now you get the notification your space has dropped, and it gives you a link to view it on OpenSea. Now this part could take 10 to 15 minutes for your space to show up. So if it doesn't show up immediately, just give it a few more minutes. But that's all you have to do. So now you'll see your space is now on OpenSea under our Mona spaces. So it's that easy to mint your Mona space on Polygon. Then when you click your back arrow back to your wallet, you'll see you've now freed up your space draft, because now you have the scene that you just minted on Polygon in your My Spaces section. Then if we head back over to the Mona Gallery homepage, you'll see that your space scene will now have this collect link here, which if you click, will take you right to that OpenSea listing. So there you have it. Super easy to get started with minting your Mona space on Polygon. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to join our Discord. We have an amazing community of artists who are helping each other out, building the decentralized metaverse together. If at any point you have any questions or would like any help with what you're working on, feel free to jump right in and ask us. We're here to help. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you in the Discord.